Are you tired of feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed by the chaos of everyday life? Do you find yourself constantly distracted, burnt out, or unable to focus on the task at hand? If so, then this video is for you. In just 10 minutes, you'll learn simple yet powerful meditation techniques that anyone can practice anywhere, anytime. These techniques are not only backed by science, but have been used by the author to transform their own mind and achieve extraordinary results. You'll discover how to calm your mind, reduce stress and anxiety, improve your focus and concentration, increase your creativity and problem-solving skills, and ultimately achieve inner peace and happiness. So grab a blanket or cushion, find a quiet space, and get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Let's begin. Step 1. Find a quiet space. The first step to transforming your mind in just 10 minutes is to find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. This could be your bedroom, living room, backyard, or any other place that is peaceful and relaxing for you. It's important to choose a space that is free from distractions so that you can fully focus on your breath and let go of any tension or stress. If you live in a busy household or have noisy neighbors, you may want to use headphones or earplugs to block out any background noise. Alternatively, if you prefer to meditate outside, find a spot in a park or natural area where you feel connected to nature and at ease. Step 2. Get comfortable. Once you've found your quiet space, it's time to get comfortable. You don't want to be so relaxed that you fall asleep, but you also don't want to be so stiff that you're uncomfortable. If you're new to meditation, try sitting in a chair with both feet flat on the floor, or you can sit cross-legged on a blanket or cushion on the floor. As you get more comfortable with meditating, you can experiment with different positions to find what works best for you. Some people prefer to lie down, while others like to walk or even dance while meditating. The most important thing is that you feel relaxed and at ease. Step 3. Close your eyes. Closing your eyes is an essential part of transforming your mind in just 10 minutes. It helps to minimize distractions and brings your focus inward. When you close your eyes, you block out the visual stimuli from the outside world, which can be a major source of distraction when you're trying to meditate. By doing so, you create a sense of peace and tranquility that allows you to relax and let go of any tension or stress. Additionally, closing your eyes can help you to access your inner thoughts and feelings more easily. When you look inward, you become more aware of your emotions, thoughts, and bodily sensations without the distraction of external stimuli. This increased self-awareness is key to transforming your mind during meditation. Overall, closing your eyes is a simple yet effective way to enhance your meditation experience and achieve a deeper level of relaxation and focus. Step 4. Focus on your breath. Focusing on your breath is one of the most effective ways to transform your mind in just 10 minutes. When you inhale and exhale, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming the body and mind. This simple act of focusing on your breath can help you to reduce stress, anxiety, and any negative emotions that may be clouding your mind. To focus on your breath, start by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. As you breathe, pay attention to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body and the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. If your mind wanders to other thoughts, gently bring your attention back to your breath. With regular practice, you'll find that focusing on your breath becomes easier and more natural, allowing you to achieve a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Step 5. Let go of distractions. Letting go of distractions is crucial to transforming your mind in just 10 minutes. During meditation, your mind may wander to other thoughts, and you may encounter various distractions that can pull your attention away from the present moment. It's important to acknowledge these distractions without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath or chosen point of focus. You can do this by observing your thoughts without reacting to them and letting them pass like clouds in the sky. Remember that it's normal for your mind to wander, and that's okay. Simply bring your attention back to your breath or chosen point of focus and continue to let go of any distractions that arise. With practice, you'll find that you're able to let go of distractions more easily and maintain a steady focus on the present moment. Step 6. Embrace the present moment. Embracing the present moment is an essential aspect of transforming your mind in just 10 minutes. During meditation, it's natural for your mind to wander to the past or future, but it's important to bring your attention back to the present moment. You can do this by focusing on your breath or using a mantra or affirmation. When you feel your mind wandering, gently bring your attention back to the present moment and acknowledge your thoughts without judgment. As you continue to meditate, you'll find that you're able to stay present and fully engaged in the experience. This practice of embracing the present moment can help you to reduce stress, increase feelings of well-being, and cultivate a sense of inner peace and tranquility. Step 7. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to transform your mind in just 10 minutes. By focusing on the things you're grateful for, you can shift your mindset from negative to positive, which can help to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Take a few moments during your meditation practice to reflect on the blessings in your life, such as your health, loved ones, or simply the experience of being alive. You can also express your gratitude by saying affirmations such as, "I am grateful for my breath," or "I am grateful for the present moment." By practicing gratitude during your meditation, you can cultivate a more positive and appreciative mindset and start to see the beauty in everyday life. Step 8. Visualize your goals. Visualizing your goals is a highly effective technique to transform your mind in just 10 minutes. By focusing on what you want to achieve, you can align your thoughts and intentions with your desires and manifest your dreams into reality. During your meditation practice, create a clear mental image of your goals and visualize yourself already having achieved them. For example, if you want to achieve financial abundance, visualize yourself receiving unexpected money or finding new sources of income. If you want to improve your relationships, visualize yourself connecting with others on a deeper level and experiencing love and harmony. By visualizing your goals regularly, you'll attract the people, resources, and opportunities needed to make them a reality. Step 9. Use positive affirmations. Using positive affirmations is a great way to transform your mind in just 10 minutes. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to create a shift in your mindset and beliefs. They can help you to challenge negative thoughts and cultivate a more positive and empowering self-image. During your meditation practice, repeat affirmations that resonate with you, such as, "I am strong and capable," or "I am worthy of love and happiness." By repeating these affirmations to yourself, you'll start to believe in them and embody them as part of your identity. This can help you to overcome negative beliefs and limitations that may be holding you back and empower you to achieve your goals and dreams. Step 10. Be patient and consistent. Being patient and consistent is crucial to transforming your mind in just 10 minutes. It takes time and practice to develop a meditation habit and see results. Don't get discouraged if you find it challenging to focus or if your mind wanders during meditation. Simply bring your attention back to your breath or chosen point of focus and continue to practice regularly. Over time, you'll find that your ability to meditate and focus will improve. Consistency is key to seeing results from your meditation practice. Aim to meditate for 10 minutes every day or several times a week and commit to making it a part of your daily routine. As you continue to practice, you'll experience the many benefits of meditation, such as reduced stress, increased focus, and a greater sense of inner peace and tranquility. These simple yet powerful techniques can help you to transform your mind in just 10 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or experienced meditator, these techniques are accessible to all and can be practiced anywhere, anytime. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you'll be able to calm your mind, reduce stress and anxiety, improve your focus and concentration, increase your creativity and problem-solving skills, and ultimately achieve inner peace and happiness. So why wait? Start today and experience the transformative power of meditation for yourself.